Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how you can set up SIMPIN on your SIM card. At the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to simply find security and the lock screen. It's right here. Scroll down and move to the other security settings and tap on the setup SIM card lock. Next just tap on the switcher, click OK. And as you can see, right now we got a new PIN code on the SIM card, and if you restart your smartphone, the PIN code will be required. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.